Hello! During this course, we will discuss IT project teams, including dynamics, conflict resolutions, and different team models. We will then look at different leadership models, including predictive and agile leadership differences. And last, we will learn the skills and competencies you need for a career in IT project management and how to create a plan to gain those competencies. This week, we will discuss team dynamics in information technology projects and distinguish those dynamics in a distributed project environment. We will also introduce communication strategies for both co-located and distributed teams. First, let's understand team dynamics. Team dynamics are the unconscious psychological forces that influence the direction of a team's behavior and performance. Team dynamics are created by the nature of the team's work, the personalities within the team, their working relationships with other people, and the environment in which the team works. Team dynamics can be good. For example, when they improve overall team performance and/or get the best out of individual team members. They can also be bad. For example, when they cause unproductive conflict, demotivation, and prevent the team from achieving its goals. One of my favorite team models is called the 5 dysfunctions of a team. This model describes the following 5 factors that hinder a team from becoming a high-performing team. 1, the absence of trust. Unwilling to be vulnerable within the group. 2, fear of conflict. Artificial harmony over constructive, passionate debate. 3, lack of commitment. Uncommitted to group decisions or simply feign agreement with them. 4, avoidance of accountability. Shirk responsibility of calling peers on counterproductive behavior or low standards. 5, inattention to results. You prioritize individual needs over the overall team's success. Through motivation and team development, project managers can build effective teams. The PMBOK guide defines the performance of a successful team as follows. The performance of a successful team is measured in terms of technical success according to agreed upon project objectives, performance on project schedule, and performance on budget. It also tells us how these high-performing teams can be developed. High team performance can be achieved by using open and effective communication, creating team-building opportunities, developing trust among team members, managing conflicts in a constructive manner, and encouraging collaborative problem-solving and decision-making. Effective teams communicate freely, exchange input and feedback, and discuss ideas openly. Team members working effectively together are more enthusiastic and committed, and they will resolve conflicts more quickly without intervention. Project managers must also become comfortable identifying signs that their team is breaking down. Oftentimes, chronic complaining about progress or workload to one another or to the project manager, apathy, poor communication, and missed deadlines are red flags. When a project manager intervenes in such a situation, it is often helpful to call a meeting where team members can air their concerns and the project management team can gather information to decide on a course of action, which might be additional training that will allow staff to complete work with less frustration, or the project management team might decide to use other team development techniques. That concludes our introduction to project teams. As Steve Jobs said, great things in business are never done by one person. They're done by a team of people.